This is the story of Chioma, a very beautiful young girl who is now begging and roaming on the street. What could be the problem with her? I want you to carefully watch this video and see what happens. I bet you're gonna learn a lot from this video. Don't forget to share this video. So this yogurt seller pushed her away because she was thirsty and begging for some yogurt. She left the guy and continued with her begging. So there was one other boy there who stood and watched her beg. Now this boy does packing of waste bin to earn a living. This boy barely eats a day. With the little money he had, he got the yogurt and took it to her. So she became so surprised and emotional seeing this boy helping her, despite the fact that this boy even needs more help. Now I come to realize that the strongest people help others even when they are struggling with their own life. No be rich people they help people, na good people they help. I hope you learned something from this video. People are really going through a lot. Your little kindness will go a long way. Please, I want you to drop a comment, like this video, and don't forget to share this video. Thank you for watching.